Hey, oops, I did it. Okay.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mom McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we're showing you how to make Mama McManus's infinite, is that the word?
Famous.
Mama McManus's famous pasta salad, which is honestly so...
That's not me. That is not me. I did not do that.
Thanks for calling Crush Pools. Ally speaking, how can I help you? Hey guys, we're back after a few business phone calls. This is Crush Pools headquarters we have here. Anyways, if you guys want to see how we make my mom's amazing pasta salad, keep watching. So the first thing that you want to do is boil a pot of water and boil 2 cups of penne pasta.
That'll serve about 6 people.
Yeah. After the pasta is finished boiling, drain it and then rinse it with cold water. This way it helps keep the pasta cold, so obviously you don't want warm pasta salad.
No. The other thing too is that Ally was asking me what measurements I use or the number of ingredients, and it's kind of hard. So I gave you the best guesstimate of what I do. But you know, feel free to add in extra if you like olives, which I love black olives. You can do that, and again, it's really pretty simple.
Yeah, just have fun with it, make it your own. But we're gonna try to show you how we make ours the best.
Okay.
Our bowl was a little big, so we swapped it out for a smaller one, but you're just going to want to add in your pasta salad to the serving dish.
And then it's fun time to add all your stuff. I'm gonna add in a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And again, you know, if you don't think it's enough, you can always add more, and that looks pretty good.
Then you're going to want to add in a 1/4 cup of pesto. There you go.
Yeah, and then just mix that up so that you can eyeball and see what you've got happening here with your pasta salad. And that actually looks perfect.
Beautiful, yeah. All of our pasta is coated in the olive oil and pesto.
So next we're gonna use the olives. These are pitted already, black olives are perfect. You can chop them up if you want, but I like them whole.
Yeah. So you're gonna add in a cup or a heaping cup of black olives.
Yes.
Then we're gonna add in about 1/2 cup to a cup of red pepper. Scoop that in there.
That's about enough. We're gonna add in the red onions, chopped red onions. Now do I get to talk about my knife? Yeah, I chopped them with this. This is the best knife ever. I got this as a Mother's Day gift. It is from Sharp Knives Shop.
Yeah.
Located in Hamilton. This is an amazing Japanese knife, and it cuts through things like butter. So look them up. They're on the internet. Sharp Knives Shop.
Yeah. Sharp Knife Shop. All right, so next we're gonna add in our chopped cherry tomatoes that we also cut with our brand new knife. So we just probably did a 1/2 cup of chopped cherry tomatoes, then 1 full avocado chopped.
Yeah.
Avocado is going to add a nice little creaminess to it that you usually would get with a cheese, but obviously we're making this vegan, so we're not adding any cheese into it.
My famous salad generally has feta cheese, but we are adapting and
Yes,
changing.
we are.
Okay, we add in just on top a sprinkling of green onions, about 2 we chopped up.
Then lastly, you just want to top it with some chopped walnuts. We don't have that much today. We probably are going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, but you just want to kind of add it in to give the salad a little bit of a crunch.
And of course, walnuts are very healthy.
Yeah, great source of protein and fat.
Yeah.
And then after that, you are
done.
good to go. Pasta salad. So simple, it is so delicious, and we highly recommend you guys try it out this summer. Make it for your vegans, make it for your non-vegans.
Yeah, it goes with, tonight you're having this with burgers. Well, you're having a bean burger.
Yeah.
Black bean burger, great with steaks. No, sorry, I can't say that.
Oh my gosh.
Not good with
Portobello steaks.
Portobello steaks, yes.
We're not gonna try this today because we're saving it for our dinner and we already know how awesome it tastes, but we hope you guys make it too. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new vegan videos every single Thursday, and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.